just popping on tonight to say hello. I'm Kim Tuggle, in case you don't know who I am. I'm just like really excited tonight because I got home from afternoon lunch with one of my friends to find two pampered chef boxes sitting on the front porch. So I had a delivery from the FedEx guy, which I always love my FedEx deliveries because it's like getting Christmas all over again. But today I hosted my very first party as a consultant, and thanks to all of my wonderful friends and actually some people I didn't even know, I managed to get $215 worth of free products plus a 60% off item and 4 items at 50% off. So I'm just super excited because all the stuff that I'm about to show you and I only spent $126 and some odd cents. I don't remember the cents, but it's 126 bucks. So anyway, so some of the things aren't so, like cool, but they are things that I just really needed. These are oven protectors. They go on the edge of your oven shelves. Keeps you from scratching your pans and stuff up. I am a klutz. If anybody knows me, you know I'm a klutz. I'm always burning myself, falling, whatever. Actually, when I tried to record this video a little while ago, I dropped something. So yeah, I'm a klutz. But anyway, these are awesome. They keep you from scratching everything up. Free. And we have 2 different cinnamons that these are actually only out, I think, till the end of the year. But they're delicious. So our cinnamon plus and the cinnamon, they're just, like I said, there's so many things that you can make with these, and it's just delicious. Best seasoning, cinnamon seasoning I've ever had. And if you know me, I'm also a cinnamon nut. A 5-inch knife. I love the Pampered Chef knives. I should have taken that out of the box. I'll show you again later when I actually have it opened up. But they're all one piece, and there's actually a little Pampered Chef emblem right here, so that it tells you exactly where to hold the knife. Really awesome. By the way, free. This was one of my 50% off items, and I actually got the set of the 1 quart and the 2.5 quart. Yeah, 2.5 quart insulated serving bowls. The 1 quart wasn't in the box yet, so I'm expecting another box probably tomorrow. But anyway, these are awesome because they're, like I said, it's insulated, so when you put your cold stuff in there, it stays cold. Put your warm stuff in there, it helps keep it warm. Great little serving bowl. I am always in need of serving bowls, mixing bowls, and I get so tired of using mismatches. So I finally broke down. These were another one of my free things. This is a set of 3 mixing bowls. So another freebie. Another freebie. This is the small batter bowl, which I got this one free because I spent more than $80. And the guest special last month was the small batter bowl. This month we have the wooden serving spoons and spatula are our guest specials. So if you order $80 or more, you can get one of those for free. Yet another non-sexy thing, however, my husband will really appreciate it because I won't have so many burn marks on my hands from from splatters. So I got me this awesome splatter guard to help reduce the splatter. Also great because I have a gas stove, so keep from burning my house down. Let's see. time. So I also got the set of, let's see, this is the 1 quart, the 3 1/4. I'm sorry, cup, not quart. Yeah, 3 1/4 and 5 1/4. Glass leak proof storage containers. These are great. They work great, and you can microwave, freezer. Great for storing stuff in the freezer. And you can see what you're storing, and say, instead of a old plastic bowl that you go looking in there and you're like, what on earth is in there? Don't know. Glass. See right through there. Yeah, this is what I dropped over with. So, and this is all of the pieces to go with my cheese board. So these are all the accessories for the cheese board. This one was a 50% off. The Lazy Susan cheese board, and I haven't figured out how to get the cardboard off yet, so I'll come up close so you can see this beautiful wood. I love this. It's just so pretty. So it's going to be, I don't know, if I have the girls over for wine and cheese all the time on a regular basis, so love having something pretty to put our cheese out on. And it also works great for, like, if you're decorating cakes and stuff, because you can put it on there, spin your cake around, and not have to, like, keep moving it. You just slowly spin it, and it turns out perfect. Another one of those I've been wanting for forever, and I actually thought I ordered it a few hundred times, and every time I get my orders, I'm like, dang it, I forgot to put that on the order again. So I have me a food thermometer, because my kids say I'm the worst at undercooking food. So now we can make sure that it's cooked to the right temperature. Oh, an awesome thing about this, so if you have our quick cooker, we actually have a glass lid accessory to it now, and there's a little hole in it that allows you to stick the thermometer right down through the hole, so that you don't even have to, like, lift the lid up. So, awesome little thing. My 60% off item, which I was super excited about, is our an enamel cast iron, and isn't it pretty? So this is the is it 6 or 6.5 quart? 6 quart enameled Dutch oven cast iron. Beautiful, beautiful piece, and nice and solid and heavy. Oh, can't wait to use this. The lid, obviously, and like I said, the beautiful new piece. 6 quart Dutch oven. Can't wait to use it. Anyway, like I said, I got so much for free. I got $215 worth of free stuff, plus the 60% off. So I just saved a ton of money and got some great products that will last forever. I was actually telling somebody today that I still have the very first Pampered Chef product that I ever bought, which was, I think it was called a mini micro cooker. It's just for cooking in the microwave, and it's like a really heavy plastic that has the lid with vents in it and everything. And I've had that thing for 23 years, and it's plastic. Go figure. So, you know, great products, great prices. Love it. And I'm sure you will too. Thanks so much. And if there's anything at all I can do for you or help you with, any questions, just reach out and let me know.